Limited football. A couple boxes of limited football, guys. Good luck. Buy some more. Got a $2.99 of Vikings, Xavier Rhodes. Got a Greg Little from Browns, $3.99. Got a $3.99 Sam Bradford, the Rams. Got $2.99 Travis Kelce, Kansas City Chiefs. Base auto to $2.99 for the 49ers. Rookie auto, Cornelius Carradine, $2.99 for the 49ers. Then you got a base jersey with a bunch of white on that corner. That top left corner is all chewed up. Tennessee Titans, Justin Hunter. Justin Hunter for the Titans. And got a nice out of 49. 1, 2, 3 colored rookie auto patch. Chargers, Keenan Allen. Out of 49. Keenan Allen. Box 2. Feels like we got one of those face scan. I don't know. A couple of thick cards. Got 49 Ace Sanders for the Jags. Got $3.99 Eli Manning for the Giants. Lions. Got a $3.99 Alex Smith, the Chiefs. Got $2.99 Tavares King, Denver Broncos. Then we got a 1, 2, 3 colored patch. Looks like it's part of the name. 3 colored patch of Jermaine Gresham for the Bengals. Nice patch in there. Jermaine Gresham, Cincinnati Bengals out of 49. Base jersey to 99. Broncos Moneyball. Have a good time, man. Moneyball. And got a nice rookie auto patch to $2.99. Got a Vikings Cordell Peterson. The Minnesota Vikes. Number 3. Got a $2.99 Deion Sims, Dolphins. Got out of 25, going to go to the Colts to Rick Rogers. Rick Rogers for the Colts out of 25. Got $3.99 Colts, Ahmad Bradshaw. $3.49 Cardinals, Jake Plummer. Got a rookie auto to $2.99. Bryce Butler, Oakland Raiders. Jumbo jersey to $1.99. Denard Robinson for the Jags. And another 3 colored rookie auto patch to $49. Bengals, Tyler Eifert. Box number 4. Got out of 49 Ace Sanders for the Jags. Got $3.99 Jimmy Graham, Saints. $3.99 Philip Rivers, Chargers. $3.49 Jay Novacek, Dallas Cowboys. Auto $2.99, a rookie auto. Chiefs, Tyler Bray. Can't see Chiefs, Tyler Bray. Got a base jersey to 99. Redskins, Jordan Reed. Jordan Reed for Redskins. We're getting some nice patches too. Got a 4-colored out of 299. 4-colored rookie auto patch. Patriots, Aaron Dobson. Aaron Dobson. Box 5. Finishing limited football. Then we get this stuff onto YouTube. Out of 49, Rob Gronkowski, Patriots. $3.99, Heath Miller, Steelers. Bucks, $3.99, Josh Freeman. Bears, $3.49, Jimmy McMahon. Rookie auto to $2.99. Steelers, Justin Brown. Got a rookie jersey to 99, or got not a rookie, got a base jersey 99. Jags, Maurice Jones-Drew. Maurice Jones-Drew. And another nice 3-colored rookie auto patch, $2.99. Arizona Cardinals, Andre Allen. $2.99 for the Cardinals. Finishing our limited football.